address kasi yung tao has already resigned himself that is his fate. He had mentioned that before and even before he left office. Diba? Sabi niya. Dahil sa ginawa ko para sa bayan at sa tao, sa Pilipino, baka makukulong ako. Yun na, tinanggap niya na. And while he is there, he already had mentioned it in the way that baka dito ako mamamatay. So, para kanino pa yung kaso? I'm not trying to demean the alleged victims. Okay? I'm not trying to demean that. Because I myself is a lawyer and I have defended cases in court and even prosecuted cases in court. I understand. But we're talking about the former president. And I've always taken the position that kung merong mang kaso, as in fact, these cases that are brought here, allegedly in the thousands, but they can only come up with 49 incidents involving allegedly 78 victims. Okay? Bring them before the Philippine court. Ayaw ko magsabi ng masama sa Korte Suprema, abogado ako, pero nakakahiya sa buong mundo kung dito natin tinatry yung kaso.
Correct.
Nakakahiya talaga.
At